Okay, so with respect to the agenda, so I want to remind everyone that we have still until March 28th to register, which means there is still plenty of time, like 18 days, but still the time is getting close, so keep that in mind. Also, please keep in mind the link for the customs broker license exams, the drills that you guys should be working on. There are two links. One is official CBP link. Another one is the link for that I provide a compilations link right there, which I provide on Law Customs website, so that you guys can go back even further. But like I said, the strategy is to go from the latest and work your way down. All right. Now, with respect to uh, with respect to exams uh, that are outdated, as I was working, I don't think we're gonna get to classification today. But as I was working through, I found some outdated questions on classification, and this would be a good example to see how it works. So, with that respect, I think we can dive in. The only other item that I had on my that I wanted to mention is that please continue to be a librarian. Please continue to memorize the relevant parts and sections of the Code of Federal Regulation as well as the Harmonized Tariff Schedule of the United States, please. All right. Now, uh, with with that, let's dive in into this